Welcome to FluentArc podcast. Speak with heart, live with meaning.
Okay, quick question.
Uh-oh.
Have you ever heard an American say something and every word was simple,
Right.
but somehow it sounded way more natural than what you would say?
Honestly, all the time.
Same.
Wait, what?
I'm serious. Sometimes native speakers don't even use difficult words.
Exactly. And somehow they still sound, I don't know.
More natural?
Yes, that's the word.
Then today you're about to discover one of the biggest secrets native speakers use every single day.
Now I'm interested.
And most English learners never notice it.
Okay, what is it?
Cleft sentences.
That sounds scary.
I know. It sounds like something a professor would say.
Exactly. Like, why does grammar always sound dangerous?
Right? But here's the funny thing. You already hear cleft sentences every day.
No way.
Way.
See? You sound American when you say that.
Okay, listen to this. Imagine you're exhausted. You walk into a coffee shop. You've had a long day. You didn't sleep well. You don't want tea. You don't want juice. You want one thing.
Coffee.
Exactly. Now listen carefully. Most people would say, I needed coffee. Simple. Nothing wrong with it.
Okay.
But many Americans might say, it was coffee that I needed.
Huh. That does sound different.
It does. And this tiny change makes a huge difference.
Wait, why?
Because now you're putting a spotlight on coffee.
Oh, like, coffee was the important thing.
Exactly.
Not tea, not water, not juice.
Just coffee.
Honestly, that's me every morning.
Same.
Actually,
Don't talk to me before coffee?
exactly. How did you know?
Native speaker instinct.
Or coffee addiction.
Probably both.
Okay, I think I get it. You're making one part of the sentence more important.
That's it.
Wait, that's it?
That's it.
No complicated grammar?
Nope.
I love that.
Most people do. Okay, wait until you hear this one. Imagine your phone rings. You answer. It's a family member. Later your friend asks, who called? You could say, my brother called. Easy.
Right.
Or, it was my brother who called.
Ooh, that sounds very American.
Exactly. And native speakers do this automatically.
Most learners never notice this.
Exactly. But once you hear it,
You start hearing it everywhere.
everywhere.
That's actually kind of cool.
Here's where it gets interesting. Let's say you're at work. The printer breaks. Everyone is confused. Nobody knows what happened. Then Sarah comes over, pushes one button, and fixes everything.
Sarah is a hero.
Sarah is always the hero.
Every office has a Sarah.
True. Now listen. Sarah fixed the problem. Simple. But many Americans might say, it was Sarah who fixed the problem.
Ah, now Sarah gets all the attention.
Exactly.
And honestly, she deserves it.
She really does. Okay, Daisy, quick question. Where do you shop?
Too much. That's my answer.
Fair. Let's say you're looking for a jacket. You search online. Nothing. You visit 3 stores. Nothing. Then finally, you find it at Target.
Best feeling ever.
Right? Now listen. I found it at Target. Good, simple, natural. But it was at Target that I found it.
Whoa, that sounds exactly like something I'd hear in a movie.
Because Americans say things like that all the time.
And now I can actually hear the difference.
That's the goal. Don't memorize. Notice.
Notice first, use later.
Exactly. And we're just getting started. Okay. What day did we first meet?
Saturday, obviously. You forgot?
I'm testing you.
Sure you are.
Now listen, we met on Saturday. Normal. But it was Saturday that we met.
That sounds smoother.
Native speakers love putting emphasis on important information.
Without using difficult words.
Exactly. That's the secret. Pay attention to this next example. Imagine you're with friends. Everyone wants something different for dinner. One person wants burgers, another wants tacos, someone wants pasta. Then finally everybody agrees.
That never happens.
Let's pretend.
Okay.
Everybody wants pizza. You could say, everybody wanted pizza, or it was pizza that everybody wanted.
Yeah, that sounds way more dramatic.
And more natural in storytelling.
I can see that.
Wait until you hear this one. Travel story. Ready?
Always.
You met for the perfect part where we first met in Chicago, or it was in Chicago that we first met.
Oh, wow. That sounds exactly like something from a podcast.
Because that's how people tell stories.
They're highlighting the important detail.
Boom, you got it.
I'm learning grammar without feeling like I'm learning grammar.
That's the best kind. Now let's talk about texting.
Dangerous topic.
Very. Imagine two people arguing about who sent the first text.
Classic.
One person says, "You texted first," or "It was you who texted first."
Ouch. That sounds more direct.
A little.
Relationship arguments have started with less.
True.
But wait, there's another version.
There's more?
Just a little. Listen. What I need is coffee.
Honestly, that's my life philosophy.
Not a sentence, a lifestyle.
I'd put it on a t-shirt.
I would buy that t-shirt.
Thank you.
Now listen again. What I need is coffee. What I want is a vacation. What she needs is more sleep. What surprised me was the price.
I've heard all of those.
Exactly. That's why this pattern is so useful. You're not learning something rare. You're learning something people actually say.
Every day.
Every day.
In movies.
In podcasts.
In conversations.
Everywhere.
Okay, now I understand something.
What's that?
Native speakers don't always sound natural because they know more words.
Exactly.
Sometimes they just know what information to emphasize.
That's it.
And that's what these sentences do.
Perfect.
Wait, I actually learned grammar today.
Technically.
Without feeling like I learned grammar.
That's the goal.
I like this kind of grammar.
Everyone does.
Okay, challenge for everyone listening.
I like where this is going.
Today, try to notice one cleft sentence, just one. In a movie, a podcast, a TV show, anywhere.
And once you hear one,
You'll start hearing them everywhere.
trust us.
See you next time, everybody.
Keep listening, keep noticing, and keep having fun with English.
Bye, everybody.